What's going on everybody, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smoky barbecue sauce. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to make tomato ketchup, I highly recommend you watching that before you watch this video, as the tomato ketchup is one of the main ingredients in this recipe. And before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel. I post 3 videos a week with recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. And make sure you hit that bell notification as well so you never miss when I upload. In a medium to large heavy base saucepan, we're going to add 400 grams or 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1.5 cups of my homemade tomato ketchup, and I'll leave the video link in the description below, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of molasses, one tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of ground chili, half a teaspoon of ground mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. We're then going to put this onto a medium heat, mix all of the ingredients together, and then we're going to bring this to a boil. Then now that this is at a boil, we're going to turn it down to a low heat and allow it to simmer away for 15 minutes. And about every 5 minutes, you just want to give it a little stir. Then after 15 minutes, we're going to turn it off the heat, give it a mix through one more time. Then with a stab blender, we're just going to blitz this up till it's nice and smooth. Then if you wish, you can serve this whilst this is still hot, but I'm going to allow this to completely cool down. And then once this is fully cooled, you can serve this up straight away, or you can put it into a sterilised jar or an airtight container and store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. This recipe has an amazing flavour, and this barbecue sauce is perfect for pork ribs, beef ribs, chicken wings, chicken breasts, chicken thigh, and even burgers. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you did, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below to stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel. I post 3 videos a week on recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you never miss when I upload. Be sure to like, share and comment, and if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use.